Villas of Carillon. Verified case summary. The assessment $60,000 per household. Homeowners received letters stating that they would need to pay $60,000 per unit with four payment options, including $60,000 in four quarterly payments, $60,000 over 8 years at $1,875 per quarter, $11,650 now plus $48,000 later, raising dues from $575 to $1,200 a month for 8 years. Residents were shocked, texting neighbors immediately, and many feared they would lose their homes through liens or foreclosure. Why the assessment happened? The HOA admitted in writing that reserves had not been fully funded for 20 years. The community reached a critical point with major repairs needed: balcony repairs, waterproofing, garage flat roof replacement, painting, barrel tile roof funding. This aligns with the stated patterns of deferred maintenance exposed for Surfside. Board misunderstood the law, then resigned. A separate report confirms the entire HOA board resigned after proposing the $60,000 assessment due to a misinterpretation of Florida's Surfside Law SB 4D. Key facts: SB 4D applies only to buildings 3 stories or higher. Villas of Carillon townhomes are 2 stories, so the law did not apply. The board mistakenly believed they were required to fully fund reserves immediately. This misunderstanding triggered the crisis and the board's resignation. Homeowner impact. Residents reported fear of foreclosure, financial ruin, potential loss of homes, community-wide panic. One resident said, "There will be a lot of people that lose their homes. They'll have a lien put on their house." The vote was tabled after resident outrage. A scheduled vote on the 60,000 assessment was tabled after residents packed the meeting and demanded more time and transparency. The summary for this report: at the Villas of Carillon in Feather Sound, Florida, homeowners were hit with a proposed 60,000 special assessment after 20 years of unfunded reserves. Residents feared foreclosure. Dues were set to jump from $575 to $1,200 a month, and the entire HOA board resigned after realizing they had misinterpreted Florida's Surfside Law. The vote was ultimately tabled, but the financial damage and the panic were already widespread.